Hi, this is Casey Fortune at Fortune Realty, and welcome to the Broadmoor Bluffs area. I am here on the back patio of a house I'm just about to list at $1 million, but this is why people want to move to the Broadmoor Bluffs area, is because of Cheyenne Mountain views just like the one behind me. And a lot of these homes will have city lights in the evening looking out to the east, looking over the entire city. The subdivision does back up all the way against Norad, which is in Cheyenne Mountain just behind me there. Another thing you need to know is I'm calling this the Broadmoor Bluffs area. There are probably 20 subdivisions within this area. I'm here on my website and I want to use this to help you understand what type of homes you'll find and what price points are currently available. Now, I am making this video in January, so inventory is extremely low. Just even this top row here will give us kind of an idea of what you will find. Some of these homes go back to all the way to the early 80s, so there's definitely a large variety of homes to choose from and price ranges. And if you scroll down here, you'll see a lot around $1 million and you'll see a lot under $1 million. Look at this beauty for just under $3 million. That place looks incredible. I want to live there. I also have this link in the description below, so you can check it out to see what the current inventory is. Let me show you where this is at on Google Maps. So this whole area right here is the Broadmoor Bluffs. To the south, you have a park down there, which is a state park. Amazing, beautiful thing to live by. And there's a lot of stuff to do up here too. Cheyenne Mountain Zoo is right here. You can see Norad's listed, which actually Norad is closer to this area where the water is. I guess they don't want to put that on Google Maps though. Hopefully no Russian spies are out there listening. Anyway, let's back out a little bit more and you can see Colorado Springs, and we are located on the southwest side of town. It's only about 15 minutes to the downtown area. Here are the stores you would drive by every day, and you'll also want to review the award-winning District 20 that this area sits in. I've got a link in the description below for that. Another thing you'll want to investigate is homeowners insurance, especially if you're looking to purchase a home in the trees.
Problems are hitting another Colorado Springs neighborhood. It's all connected to our spring and summer, I should say, rain. This time, it's the Broadmoor Bluffs community on the southwest side of Colorado Springs. At least 8 properties are threatened by a landslide.
Now that I dropped that bombshell, for starters, that video is about 9 years old, and I don't want you to think if you buy a home in this area, it's going to go sliding down the mountain. People have lived in this area within this landslide for years and been just fine. However, I do have a landslide area map available in the description, so check that out. I want to make sure if you're interested in a home, where it's at within that map. There's 3 things I'd be cautious about buying in one of these areas. The first is the obvious: has the home's structural integrity been compromised? 2, how does your homeowner's insurance feel about it? And 3, just think about the resale and how that may be affected. Quick change of subject. I don't want to spend too much time talking about Norad. However, you should really know what it is, because it's an amazing underground military complex that this area sits right next to. I have a link in the description below to a fantastic video that explains that. If you found any value in this video, could you do me a huge favor and hit that like button? It helps me out a lot. Now let's get back to touring this beautiful area. Here are a few types of wildlife that you may see around the neighborhood. I love to get phone calls when somebody says, I just finished watching your video, I have a few more questions. Yes, absolutely. I can never get all the information out on these videos. So if that's you, give me a call. This is Casey Fortune at Fortune Realty. Thank you so much for watching.